Some Jordan boots go for $129. Get 30% off on top of that. Dude. The 30% off, that brings that down to what, $40 or $39? On Witness 3s go for $45, you guys. 45 freaking dollars. That's insane. It comes out to like 30 something. I'm a big fan of this colorway. I think I showed this last time, but yeah, dope colorway. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. I haven't hit up an outlet for you guys in quite a few days. So yeah, I'm at the Santa Clarita Nike Clearance Center. Yeah, let's go see what we can find, you guys. For those of you guys that are new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, subscribe. I do have some giveaways coming up. We have those Michael Jordan bronze Funko Pops, as well as a couple t-shirts. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and are following me on Instagram, because those are the two rules. Let's go see what we can get, you guys. Let's see what we can get. By the way, it is a Wednesday at like what, 7:30 or something like that, and they got 30% off, man. Definitely didn't see that coming. That's what's up. That's what's up. Let's go check the 10s, you guys. Not the craziest deals right here so far. Got the acronyms. Going for retail though, $225. Acronyms, okay. Got the KDs going for retail too. All right, $150. Spizikes. Like the military green coat. These actually are not even that bad, man. Look at this. Not bad, dude. Not bad. Kind of got like the Jordan 3 flavor. Jordan 3 flavor with the bottoms. Look at that. The bottoms look almost exactly like the Jordan 3s. Upper looks kind of like a Jordan 5. There's a Jordan 4 influence right there. Not bad, dude. For $90, get 30% off on top of that. Not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna throw that back though. Alright, we are gonna check the 10.5 real quick. See if they got anything great in the 10.5s. We've seen these a bunch of times. Still going for $129. The Jordan 2 Black History Months. We do have a plethora of those. Got like 4 or 5 pair. That's plenty here. And then we also got the Jordan High React. Jordan High React at 10.5. You know, these are way more comfortable than the Jordans. Well, way more comfortable than Jordan 1s. I know that the OGs aren't the hugest fan of those either, but they look all right. Do got a whole lot of SBs. No dunks though, man. If there's some dunks, you know, I get them quick. $40 for the Janowskis. Tron Soldiers, $30. Get extra 30% off on top of that. Alright, so it's 10.5. Didn't we see these? Or, I'm sorry, I remember these coming out. This is like a brand new silhouette. It's only been out for a few months. Called the N7s. They're pretty ugly, but it's just crazy because look, $65. They were $130. They just came out a few months ago. That's crazy. It's crazy. And you get 30% off. If you guys are looking for Metcons and stuff, they pretty much have the same Metcons in every size. So I'll just kind of show you for you. Going for $79.99, 30% off. Metcon DSX, go for $90, 30% off. Then the Metcon 5s, these go for $85. Yep. They pretty much have those in every size. Check the 11s real quick. Got the more of the Black History Month, still going for $129. Got some 88 Racers, going for what, $45? And 30% off on top of that, so 30 something, 35. Not bad. Got some more acronyms, going for what, $225? $225. Is that what color is this? Like an olive colorway? It's in cargo khaki colorway. Okay. Yeah, a little pricey. A little bit pricey. This is an interesting size for the React Terragobes. Haven't seen this colorway. Go for $80 though, 30% off. Interesting color of the Jordan Proto Max 720s. Go for $105. Get that 30% off. Not bad. Not bad. Not a big fan of the colorway though. But the price, not bad. So another new colorway for these React Terra Golds. For those of you who are in the winter climates, 30% off. 80 bucks, 30% off. Normally 150. Dang, that's a good discount. I'm in the 9.5s. Got Jordan boots. Someone just left these chilling right here. Some Jordan boots go for 129. Get 30% off on top of that, dude. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, so one thing I've learned by coming here is that a bunch of the resellers actually talk to each other. They're actually really cool people. I've been hella surprised because, reselling is a pretty cutthroat industry where, hey, you got to find the sneakers and whatnot. But yeah, I've been talking to a few of them. They've been giving me tips and letting me know that, hey, sir, I actually have one of my boys who actually messages me and lets me know deals. And yeah, I talked to one of the workers here right now. And yeah, they had the bread fours. They've had the bread fours here. He said they've been coming in periodically, so you can look out for the bread fours or sell for $119 plus additional discounts or whatever discounts. So you can get it for under $100. That is crazy. And they also had the Chinese New Year 12s. Apparently they've had the Chinese New Year 12s. They came for $150. Make sure you look out for those at this clearance center. Those are just crazy deals. We're in the size 9s. Bigfooters, don't think I forgot about you guys. I'm just switching things up, going to different sizes and stuff like that. But size 9 got the Team Bank PG3s, like a navy. I've never seen these. Yeah, navy colorway. It's pretty dope. Got the little ink splatter on the bottom. Same thing as all the other ones. Yeah, it's pretty dope, I guess. Going for retail, I believe. But you do get that 30% off, and so that drops it down way under 100. Of like $80 Not bad, you guys. These are the tennis shoes that Bosco and I saw a while back. These are the Vapor X. It's hilarious because we saw those Kyries. We saw the Kyrie version of this, and then yeah, I've been seeing these left and right. It's crazy. Not bad. Not bad. These actually look kind of cool. I like the colorway on this one, like the purple colorway. But yeah, 170. 170 to get that 30% off. Spiz Ikes. Damn, a bunch of these. These actually look kind of dope, you guys. I just showed them earlier. Still going for 90 bucks, 30% off. I know most people aren't going to be hyped about these, but these are the Vomero 5s, man. They re-released these as a retro, and yeah, they're, damn, I'm dropping things. But yeah, not bad, dude. Not bad. This is, yeah, 95 bucks. Normally retails for 160. That's crazy. And you get 30% off. Not bad, you guys. Not bad. Got the 720s. Go for 135. I do like this colorway. Just a little expensive though. But it goes under 100 after 30%. 9.5. Not much, you guys. They got these Terra Goes. These going down in price. 60 bucks, man. Going down in price. 30% off. Got these 720s. Go for 135. Same as the 9s. Yeah, they got these Vomero 5s. Dang, they got everything that they do in the size 5s. They got this other Terra Go for all you winter people. 9.5. Go for down to 60 bucks, man. That's dope. Get an extra 30% off on top of that. So about 40 bucks, something like that. Not bad. Air Max Deluxe 105. Man, the Deluxes are always a little pricier than the other Air Max. Get that 30% off though. Not much in the 9.5s. They do have this Vomero 14. Go for 80 bucks. Get 30% off. That's not bad. These are the really comfortable shoes with the React and Zoom Air. Not bad. All right, we came back to the 9s because I missed this apparently. The Jordan 8. What is this? What color is this? The Red Orbit, I believe. The Red Orbit. Not bad. Go for 225. To get another 30% off. I think this is a relatively new one. Relatively new colorway. Have you guys ever been somewhere and smelled funky and you thought that was you? Yeah, I just went through that situation, yeah. But it wasn't me though. It wasn't me. I did my smell check and I walked away and yeah, the smell was gone. All right, I'm in the very, very small sizes. Size 8s, there really was nothing, you guys. I got these Daybreaks, size 5.5. They got these Daybreaks as well, size 5s. Going for 60 bucks, man. 60 bucks, 30% off. Got quite a few of those. And then got these Vapor Max. These acronyms, 129. Dang, so small. Kind of like a kid size, pretty much. Same. 30% off. Got some KD Zoom 12s. Oh, this is a dope colorway. I've never seen this one. Going for retail, at least you get 30% off. So $45, so $105. Not bad. $105. Those of you guys that have been with me for a while, these licensed Nike IDs, these have been here for months and months and months. I think they've been here like since midsummer. Dang, 17 something, 1750. Nike IDs. Actually, it's what Nike by You, formerly known as Nike ID. Look, $60 for these Element Reacts. Look at this. Yeah, I'm kind of good on the colorway, but $60, you guys. $60. So you get the 30% off. That brings that down to what, $40 or $39? That's crazy, guys. Element Reacts, $39. Don't forget to press that like button, you guys. And those of you that are new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys know when new videos are coming. Let's continue on, you guys. Let's continue on. For your foam heads, yeah, this isn't a foam, but hey, the Flight Posits, not bad, you guys. $95, 30% off. By the way, we are in the size 12s. See some Jordan, why not 0.1s? $60, 30% off on top of that. But the reason I picked this up because I've never seen that all black. Is that some 3M or something on this thing? I don't know. But I've never seen this colorway. You guys know these are super dope for balling. Not the greatest looking, but really good for balling. If you want some budget balling shoes, that's what's up, you guys. Size 12, still in the size 12. Air Max 95 reflectors. $70 after the discount. All right, I was gonna go to size 12, but look, got some Nike IDs. I always gotta check these out. I got a red, white, and blue colorway. USA colorway, I guess. Not bad. But 14s. Oh, the numbers. I think those numbers. The 19. Oh, I thought they represented Nike, but never mind. I know 14, 9, 11, 5. That stands for Nike. The letters of the alphabet. Each number represents the letters. But yeah. All right, we made it to size 13s. Got the Super Bronze. 130 Super Bronze, not bad. Right next to it, got the Remix, the LeBron 16 Remix. Going for 130 as well. And right next to that, look at this. LeBron Witness 3s going for $45, you guys. 45 freaking dollars. That's insane. It comes out to like 30 something, like 35 or something. After 35, something after the discount. Size 13s, always got plenty of soldiers. Always got plenty of soldiers. Going for $70. Get that 30 off. Oh, we can't finish the size 13 unless we show the Jordan 18 retros. These have been here forever. Go for 120 though, down to 120, 30% off. Show a few of the huge ones. Vapor Max 2019s, 110. Size 15 for $40, 30% off for the Odyssey React 2s. $70 for the Jordan 33s. $70, 30% off on top of that. These are size 16s. They got a plethora of them as well. Whole lot. Jordan 5 New York colorway. 110, 30% off as well on top of that. That is a size 18. These have been here for a while. The Jordan 9 Space Jam going for what? 150, 30% off, and this is a size 18. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this poster. Not even a poster, it's a painting, I guess. But yeah, that's dope. Kevin Durant with his KD9s. Dope. And the 7.5 in the women's section. The Air Max DIAs. It's really interesting. Go for 65 though. 65. Interesting Air Max thing on the back. There's an Air Max unit and then it's covered. Everything on top of that. Not bad. $65 though. 30% off. I kind of like the colorway. How are these always here? These colorways are dope. Oh, is it normally only 120 for the women's Vapor Max? That sounds weird. 120? Dang, it's a cool colorway though. Going for 30% off too. Some blazers, 7.5. Size 7.5 blazers, or is this just like a, I can't tell if it's a purple or a brownish color. Purplish brownish color, going for $60, 30% off. This is like the smallest women's section, like a hodgepodge of different sizes. 6.5. See, I thought the retail on that, the suggested retail on that other Vapor Max was $200 for the women's too, right? Yeah, dope colorway, guys. I'm a big fan of this colorway. I think I showed this last time, but yeah, dope colorway. Women's going for 120, 30% off. It's dope, you guys. It's dope. Vapor Max Mox going for what, 115, 30% off? 115, 30% off, not bad. Some more of those Vapor Max 2019, size 5.5 for girls. I'm sorry, size 5.5 for women, going for 110. Air Max 90, $100, 30% off. Size 6.5 women, $60 for the tailwinds, you guys, $60. Size 7 in the women's, yes, $70, 30% off for the Pegasus 35. Not bad. Got the acronym, Vapor Max acronyms. These all are laceless. Fly knit upper. Going for 130. Not bad. Cool colorway. From the size 8, you guys. Are you ladies, guys, everybody? $100, you guys, man. I'm a big fan of these. $100, 35% off. Odyssey Rack Fly Knit 2, $70, size 8. I like this colorway. I like baby blue, kind of cool. Pegasus Turbo is going for 105. Dang, that is such a great deal. Dang, that's really good. In the size 9, Pegasus 35, $70. That's a decent colorway. $70, going for 30% off. On top of that, these Element Reacts going down in price, $75. Going down, not bad. Another colorway, $75. Cool colorway. Another colorway, same price too. That's cool. They all look really nice. All right, we're still in the size 10.5. We've seen these for a while now. The Kobe mid 10s, dude. That's crazy. We've seen these for quite some time here, man. I'm not a huge fan of the sneaker though. Look, not a huge fan. The cool gold Kobe logo right there. Kind of really plain, really plain. Like leather, it's like leather, perforated leather on the sides, buck leather. But no, it just feels kind of cheap. The lace tips are kind of dope. That's kind of dope. The little, what do they call this? The eyelets. Yeah, those are really dope. But other than that, yeah, it's kind of mediocre looking. The gold's like the only dope thing about these. But you know what? So far, this is the only interesting shoe we found. So might have to take a thumbnail with it. $80, 30% off. The only interesting shoe I found today. That's crazy. That's crazy. There's really no sales on the apparel section today. There's like 0 tags out. Rarely ever seen it where there's 0 tags. But yeah, I think there's 1 tag way over there. But yeah, there's really not much. So I think I'm gonna end this, you guys. I'm gonna end this vlog. Dang, it's actually finally cold in Los Angeles. I'm glad I actually wearing this sweatshirt. But yeah, bought this at the outlet for like $35. Now, thanks for watching, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you press that notification button. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, as well as subscribing so you guys are eligible to get that Funko Pop. I will be doing that giveaway sometime this week. And I actually have, 3 or 4 more things to give out. So yeah, make sure you go ahead, subscribe, and follow me. Thanks for watching, you guys. Peace.